Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about human rights. Human rights are the basic rights and freedoms that belongs to every person in the world from birth until death, regardless of race, sex, nationality, ethnicity, language, religion, or any other status. Human rights include the right to life and liberty, freedom from slavery and torture, freedom of opinion and expression, the right to work and education, and many more. Next, nature and characteristics of human rights. Human rights are essential and fundamental. In the absence of human rights, the society would be in a deplorable state. There would be a confusion all around. Human rights are the necessity for the upliftment of people. Human rights are universal. These rights are available to all the people equally without taking note the very differences among the people. Next, not absolute. Human rights are never absolute. Each right has its limitations, which is imperative to public health, order, and morality. Inalienable. Human rights are inalienable nature. Nobody can deprive a person of these rights. Next, interdependent. Human rights are interdependent on other rights. Human rights are dynamic in nature. These rights are not static. They can be modified according to the prevailing situations and conditions. Irrevocable. The human rights are irrevocable. They cannot be taken away by anybody. No power or authority can take away these basic rights from a person. Connected with dignity. These human rights are deeply connected with the dignity of the individuals living in a society. Human rights are inherent. The rights cannot be brought or borrowed from somewhere or someone. The rights are naturally existing. Then types of human rights. There are 5 types of human rights. The first one is civil rights. These individual civil rights include life, liberty, security of people, privacy, freedom of movement, speech, thought, conscience, subjecting no one to arbitrary arrest, detention or exile, practicing religion and beliefs. The second one is social rights. Right to marry and set up a family, right to free and compulsory education, etc. The third one is political rights. This involves right to expression, assembly and association, right to participate in government affairs. It also involves the right of universal and equal suffrage and entitlement of right to nationality. The fourth one is cultural rights. Man is a social animal and hence these rights are deemed necessary. Everyone has the right to participate in cultural activities. The fifth one is economic rights. These are the rights which are essential to lead a healthy life. These rights have been included in Charter on the Human Rights as well, like the right to own property, right to social security, right to work, right of equal pay for equal work without discriminating on various kinds of parameters. Next, the importance of human rights. Human rights ensure people have basic needs met, protect vulnerable groups from abuse, allow people to stand up to societal corruption. Human rights give people the freedom to practice their religion, encourage freedom of speech and expression. Human rights allows people to love who they choose. Human rights encourage equal work opportunities. Next, human rights give people access to education, protect the environment. Human rights provide a universal understanding that holds governments accountable.